Dr. Ashish and his whole team. My Xanadu. Let me introduce first Xanadu. Xanadu is a hypothetical land. And the name has been derived from a very famous poem by Coleridge, that is Kubla Khan. My Xanadu, recollections, until 2024. In centrally air-conditioned, comfortable room, lying on the operation table, hearing melodious lilting songs of Kishore Kumar, body covered with a smooth sheet, I am hearing the third sound of the robot. I am entering a mystic world. I am awake without any fear. I am enjoying the surgery of my knees. I really enjoyed it. The mystic effect of songs, enhanced by multiple drugs, is transcending me into the dreamland. With deep pastures, deep valleys, full of colorful flowers, some castles rising in the mist. I am not Kubla Khan at all. I am not Kubla Khan at all. I am not a monarch. Still, I have my own Xanadu. The robot and my surgeon Ashish with his team are incessantly doing their work, chiseling the wasted tissue and bones, inserting the new joint, replacing the old one. They are busy in their work with precision, and I am enjoying the characteristic expression, and that is right. Look, the time has passed. Transplant has been completed. The sheet has been removed, and I am watching the outside world. Still surrounded by my euphoria, I find my left leg like a pillar, loaded with tons of iron. The leg is completely immobile. Still, my optimistic surgeon has seated me on a chair, keeping me standing for a few minutes. 24th. For 2 days, completely dependent on others, tossing with the agony of pain, I am watching a silver lining in dark clouds, giving me a hope of being free from pain and be independent. There are always two sides of a coin. Yesterday's musings. There are always two sides of a coin, and I am gradually improving. The pain has subsided much. For last 4 days, I am walking and ascending and descending steps of the stair. The pace may be slow, but it is steady. And I hope to roam like a free bird soon. With lot of gratitude to my relievers, I pray and I am sure latest experiments and techniques in field will address them. May they all soar high in the sky of glory. हर 5 years में टेक्निक पुरानी हो जाती है. इसकी तो पास कॉपी है तो होगा.
हाँ, कॉपी हो रहा है. हाँ सर.